This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, sweet potato kugel. Aaah Kugel. There aren't that many foods that are more Jewish. As Jewish maybe, but not more. If you're not from a Jewish community or live in a community with no Jews, and I know they do exist, kugel is a foreign word and food. I grew up with a momster making excellent potato, noodle, and matzah kugels, and that was it. And that was enough. I learned of the existence of carrot kugel while living in Memphis, where there's a large Jewish community. Then the foodie in me went in search of more variations on the theme, since I'll be cooking Seder dinners until one of the tiddly peeps takes over or I die. I've shared the cauliflower kugel recipe I love, and now I share the sweet potato kugel. If you're one of those weirdos who does not like sweet potato, I'm not trying to convert you. Honestly, if you're an adult, at least take one bite. I could turn down the food only after I tried it when I was growing up. My mom would say, "How could you know you don't like it if you've never tried it?" When my kids were growing up, we called it the no thank you bite. Take one bite, and if you don't like it, say no thank you. If you love sweet potato, you will love this. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
Feel quality control, don't tell anybody. This can be a side, a breakfast, dessert. I'm excited. Chag Pesach Sameach.
Let's eat.